USB ports are everywhere. Many sit empty, a wealth of possibilities are wasted. We see this as an opportunity to achieve our goal, a computer in every USB port. Tomu is small, really small. Tomu fits entirely inside of a USB port, except for a little bit that sticks out to show you two lights and give you a button to touch. Tomu is open. We provide you with all of the source code for both the hardware and the software, along with the reference manual and datasheet for the main CPU. Everything is available for you to inspect and learn from. Tomu is flexible. You can load your own programs onto Tomu to change its behavior. Whether it's changing the volume by touching the USB port, signing transactions effortlessly, or adding a notification light, Tomu can adapt to meet your needs.
Tomu is easy. There are only 12 parts in total, so if you want to build your own from scratch, it's easy to hand assemble. But of course, we'll provide you with a fully assembled and tested unit.
Kosagi have partnered with the Tomu project to manufacture Tomu. We're on the third revision of the main circuit board. Thanks to help from the amazing Tomu community, we have a good selection of Tomu software.
We want more people to have access to Tomu, so we need your help. Support this project and spread the word. Help us put a computer in every USB port.